there, and welcome to Speak English with Christina, where you'll have fun becoming fluent in American English. I'm your English coach, Christina, and this month I'm challenging you to understand real American English. Maybe you understand videos for learning English, but in real conversations in the real world, it's harder for you. So, all this month, I'm gonna challenge you with special videos featuring real, fast American English. And today we're focusing on idioms. Let's go. The audio extracts in today's episode are from my course, Understand Real American English. You'll see it helps you decode fast spoken English and feel comfortable in real conversations. And it'll be available soon. In conversations, we Americans use a lot of idioms and chunks, or typical little expressions, if you prefer. And the problem is that some of these are not easy to guess. Here are the idioms and the chunks that you'll learn today. To blow a tire, on your way to work, to live paycheck to paycheck, and to set some aside for a rainy day. Now, just to give you some context, in this conversation, I'm talking to Zachary, who runs a special restaurant in Mississippi, where I'm from. Now, what makes this restaurant special? Well, first, his restaurant is a non-profit organization that trains people in restaurant skills and life skills. Second, there are no prices on the menu. You pay what you want. So even if you don't have a lot of money, you can still enjoy a very good meal in a nice restaurant. Let's listen to the extract just once, just to hear it. Now, there are no subtitles because real life doesn't have subtitles. So it's normal if you don't understand much for now. Just listen to the sounds.
Especially in this industry, if you're working, no one's making a millionaire out of you by working in a restaurant.
Yeah.
So it's planning ahead for the times like, you go out to work and you blow a tire on your way to work, and you're living most restaurant people I know live paycheck to paycheck, so there's no 150 extra bucks to go get a new tire. So it's about managing your money in a way and learning to set some aside for when stuff like that happens.
Like for a rainy day.
Exactly. That way it doesn't just throw a wrench into everything. Because then if you can't go to work, you can't keep your job, and then it's...
And then you don't have any more money, and then it's just a downward spiral.
Exactly.
Not so easy, maybe. That's okay, because we'll look at the expressions more closely so you can learn what they mean. If you blow a tire, this is what happens. Not what you want to happen while you're on your way to work, which just means while you're going to work. Now, listen again, this time with the subtitles.
So it's planning ahead for the times like, you go out to work and you blow a tire on your way to work, and you're living, most restaurant people I know live paycheck to paycheck.
If you live paycheck to paycheck, you don't have any savings. You earn just enough to sustain you until the next paycheck. So it's not a good financial situation. And that's why Zachary says that most people in the restaurant industry don't have an extra $150 or dollars to get a new tire if they blow a tire. So let's see that extract again with the subtitles.
Yeah. So it's planning ahead for the times like, you go out to work and you blow a tire on your way to work, and you're living most restaurant people I know live paycheck to paycheck.
Yeah,
so
right,
there's no 150 extra bucks to go get a new tire.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Since most people in the restaurant industry live paycheck to paycheck, and they don't have extra money for repairs if they blow a tire on their way to work, it's good that they learn to have some money in case bad things happen. And that's what we mean when we say set some aside for a rainy day. We're not talking about the weather. No. To set some money aside for a rainy day means to save some money to cover unplanned expenses in case of bad events like car repairs. And let's see that extract again and listen for that expression.
Paycheck.
Yeah,
so
right,
there's
yeah.
no 150 extra bucks to go get a new tire.
Yeah, right, yeah.
So it's about managing your money in a way and learning to set some aside for when stuff like that happens.
Like for a rainy day.
Exactly.
And finally, there was one more idiomatic expression in that conversation: to throw a wrench into everything. To throw a wrench into everything. But I want to challenge you. Go back, listen to the full conversation again, and see if you can catch where Zachary says, throw a wrench into everything. Then, try to guess what it means from the context. And put your guess in the comments, and we'll see if you were right. And of course, the full transcript of our conversation is over on the blog at ChristinaRebuffet.com. Now, if you want to be able to understand more videos like this one, join my online course, Understand Real American English, available from now until the end of June 2018. Thanks to 10 unscripted dialogues, complete lessons, plus worksheets, you'll learn to decode real conversations between fast-talking Americans. Just click the image below to learn more about the course and how to join before we close the doors at the end of the month. Thanks for watching Speak English with Christina, and I'll see you next time.